your feet down.
Snow everywhere. So we're going up to Waterfall Canyon and we're hoping to be able to go hike to the waterfall. Will there be water?
There'll be an ice fall.
There will be an ice fall. That would be kind of cool to see. Found a babysitter and we're getting out for a little bit.
Let's go do it. Especially love. Is this recording? Are you recording? I love my carrot, my inverse carrot out. I don't know how I ended up with orange and green, but it's what I did. Looks so organic. Brown hat.
Mr. Garrett. Hi, Miss Blueberry. Goodbye, Silverado. My legs are already burning. 10 steps into this race. We're crossing a river! Okay.
I have no idea how deep it is. Wow, that was pretty easy.
I'm pretty brave. What happens if I would go under? What's the safety protocol?
Those up there look really close. They're really far away.
Like,
It's probably a mile just to the base of them.
gloves, hat, off. Jacket is about to be off. Well, look at that view. Isn't that gorgeous?
Holy cow. I really want to make it to the waterfall. We only have 3 hours. Nicole's having a hard time.
Just keep moving. Just keep moving. Just keep moving. Just keep moving.
She doesn't have a ton of energy. She played 4 soccer games yesterday. And she was pregnant 4 months ago. And we do CrossFit every morning. So we're a little tired. Whew. Oh shoot. There's an avalanche up here. That doesn't make me feel too crazy. Awesome. To be honest, it freaks me out. It'll freak Nicole out too. It doesn't look like a big one, but it's still an avalanche. There's been an avalanche.
Are we gonna keep going?
I don't know, should we keep going?
Well, how much farther is it, you think?
It's around that, we have to go around this bend. It's,
So
you go
how do you get through
up there, around, and back. It's just a little baby one, but it's still an avalanche. This is living, Nicole. This is what I've been just desiring from my heart. Something awesome. Kind of dangerous. Instead of just go to work, sleep, wake up, go to work, sleep, wake up. Sucks. You know what I mean?
Right, but living
But with
in
you,
an
it's like, wake up, cry, kid, cry, feed kid, cry, feed, play some games with the kids. Brad gets home, we go to bed. Every day. Look.
I'm just not sure I'm interested in
Dying in an avalanche? Me neither.
or digging you out or digging me out. I mean,
Okay, we gotta keep going though. Did it break?
that was freaky. That was like the most nerve-wracking thing I've done in a long time.
That's pretty awesome. Wanna go look at those icicles? No, let's get to the, we gotta get to the cool icicle.
How does he have so much energy? I feel like a dead bunny right now.
Coming? I think that we passed it or we missed it. I don't remember going like this up a river. I think actually that you're supposed to climb up over that ridge. Right over there.
I'm throwing wishes in the world in hopes that you will keep them for yourself. And know there was a time when we never let go.
What do you say, Coley?
Good stuff. It was a good adventure.
Was pretty awesome. Pretty awesome.
We can do hard things.
We didn't make it. Yeah, that was. What's this? We tried making it all the way to the top where the waterfall is, but everything's different with the snow. And we just got to where we couldn't go anymore. Look at this creepy van. Food truck. I find that to be creepy. Woo-hoo-hoo. Don't lay down.
Hi.
You gotta get up.
Oh, Brad, I'm so tired.
We're almost there. We got it.